Crunchy.
Because you're amazing, just the way you are. Beautiful lady of the hour. Go, Mom.
Don't believe anything you've heard this evening. Anyway.
The black one.
Background music.
Well, it's not that loud.
I could hear it.
Is it the cart? Yeah.
Don't believe a word you said tonight. I'm sorry, but did you have to sit here and listen to all the accolades? But I was proud that when my name was on lights outside and all the time. I was going to be downtown in Chicago or in New York City, and then I'd be on a piano singing New York, New York, or Chicago, that great town. But it's around it tonight. I love you all. I'm so happy you're all here. You know I have wonderful girls, great son-in-laws, really, really nice grandchildren. All my relatives, my Irish relatives, that's all I have is Irish relatives. But anyway, I have to tell you a little story about being 90. It's not easy being 90. It's really, really hard being 90. There's no one around to talk to about the good old days. But Loretta and I went to a watering hole in, I guess it's in Glenview for dinner. And some gentleman at the bar looked over and felt sorry for us because we were old. And, so he said to the waiter, may I take your check? I'd love to buy those two old ladies. One with the white hair and one with the touching of white hair. So the waiter who knows us handed me the bill. The poor man hated it. Because he thought the bill was going to be 2 bowls of oatmeal. No. 2 bowls of oatmeal and hot milk. It was a vodka on the rocks with a twist and a Neo Manhattan, lamb chops, a strip steak, and what have you. But anyway, we had a good time. So anyway, life has been very good to me. Very good. I'm blessed with good health. I'm blessed with wonderful people who surround me, who I love. And what more can I say? And I love my grandchildren. And I love my son-in-laws. They have very good voice. And thanks for coming. I love all of you.